Meghalaya Power Department on July 26th organized a public program on Ujjwal Bharat, Ujjwal Bhavishya at Dadenggre Civil Subdivision Centre, West Garo Hills, to mark the occasion that electricity has reached to every household and expects that upcoming projects in Garo Hills will strengthen the power supply in the state to meet the requirement of the people. Shri Vibhor Agarwal, IAS SDO Civil, was the chief guest. Dignitaries present at the function include Executive Engineer, Assistant Executive Engineer, and other officers of Meghalaya Energy Department. Local singers Bilkam Sangma and Pangsrang Marak spread joy to the audience with their melodious songs.